guys, welcome back to our channel. Today is our second day at Disneyland Paris. Earlier today we went to the Palace of Versailles. Now we are headed into Disneyland Park. Okay, so when you head into the park from the parking lot, you will go under the Disneyland Hotel, which is kind of interesting. Okay, looks like we are walking in on a parade going. Will we be able to see anything? That parade was so cute. Now we're headed into Frontierland. You guys, it's happening. We're finally going on Phantom Manor. I'm so excited. I can't tell you how many times I've watched this YouTube just because I love this ride and I love the Haunted Mansion so much. So having a Phantom version of it, I'm so excited. Okay, so the Haunted Mansion, their version, Phantom Manor, is in Frontierland, and it has a story, a backstory that's all connected to Big Thunder, which I just think is so cool. Oh my gosh. I just want to like burn this into my memory. Oh my gosh, this is it. Oh, I'm so excited. If you know me, you know I like spooky things and Halloween time and phantoms, so. Oh, I'm so excited!
Bonsoir, chers invités. Good evening, dear guests. Bienvenue à Phantom Manor.
Lorsque d'étranges et d'inquiétants bruits se font entendre tout autour.
For candlelights flicker, the air is deathly still. Welcome, curious friends. It is so nice to have guests.
Nous sommes ravis de vous accueillir, humbles mortels, dans ce mystérieux manoir.
You may not believe it, but beauty once lived in this house.
Phantom Manor a connu des jours heureux, mais les temps ont changé.
Now, curious souls, come, I have more to show you.
Entrez, braves mortels, et visitons ensemble ce fameux manoir.
Our tour begins here, in this gallery, where you gaze upon the sweet innocence of youth. Kindly step all the way in. It appears everyone is doomed at Phantom Manor. Even you? Which offers you this chilling challenge to find a way out. We didn't mean to frighten you, but she's trying to meet you. Beware the Phantom.
Votre futur mari attend toujours l'homme de sa vie. Et vous faites rendre votre mystère. Merci de rester bien assis.
Nous valserons ensemble, macabre débutante. A rushing bride, a vanishing gloom.
Facétieux revenants ont interrompu notre visite. Veuillez rester bien assis. Bonne nouvelle. Les esprits ont décidé de vous laisser reprendre votre visite. Merci de rester bien assis.
We are on Pirates of the Caribbean, Paris version. Wait, what? There is a restaurant? This is different. Okay, so we're going up a hill.
My heart is beating so fast.
Your heart is beating so fast, you're okay. Don't worry. It will be okay. I don't see a big hill. You got this. This is so different. Okay, pick it up. Wow.
La vente commence!
I thought the ride was done, but we went down a little hill and it's still going. Wow. Okay.
J'accepte humblement ce magnifique trésor en récompense d'une vie de génie, de piraterie, de...
Now we're done. It's so crazy to go on rides you're familiar with, but different. Okay, so now we are gonna park up over to Walt Disney Studio Park, which this is a first for me. It is an extremely close walk. I mean, there's only a few hours left that it will be open, but Marvel is over here and Tower of Terror. So let's go see this. Okay, entering into Avengers Campus. I don't think this has been open for very long.
Ces petits speederboats par exemple, regardez c'est super, ils peuvent même se dupliquer tout seuls. Se dupliquer tout seuls parce qu'ils sont pas croyables. Petit, arrête de faire ça, c'est bon. Mais si vous êtes là, c'est pour nous aider à tester le nouveau Spider-Man.
Peter, ta présentation est en train de t'échapper.
Voilà, c'est simple comme bonjour. Vous tendez juste les bras dans la direction que vous voulez et le tour est joué, c'est cool.
Alright you guys, we're gonna head back to the hotel now. We are definitely gonna come back and explore a lot more of this park. So stay tuned for that. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you on another video very soon. Au revoir!